Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create inbound groups in custom VC Dial and explain all the important settings. First, log into your admin panel using your username and password. After login, go to the admin section and click on inbound groups. Now click on add a new inbound group. Here enter your group ID and group name. I will use group ID 8980 and group name King Demo. Next, choose the group color as you like. I will use orange color and add a color code. Now set the group as active by selecting Y. In admin user group, you can choose which admin user can manage this group. I will keep it as an admin user group. Web form is optional, so I will keep it blank. In voicemail, you can select voicemail if it is already set up. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Next is the next agent call. This decide how to call or distribute to agent. I will select the longest wait, which is the best option. Now set a frontal display to Y so the group is visible on the live screen. In screen you can select a script if needed, otherwise keep it as a none. Get call lunch is a special feature, so I will keep it as a none. After setting everything, click on submit. That's it, your inbound group is created successfully. Thank you for watching.